show ya. You should me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this in.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez or Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to be trying a texture I'm not sure if I've really tried. If I have, it's been a long time. And we are doing a very minimal baby hair look. I know I've done baby hair looks for the girlies that don't like baby hairs, but this is that times 2.0. This is the improved minimal no baby hair look. Today we have a new sponsor. Let's give a warm welcome to QVR Hair. This is actually my first collaboration with them, and you know, lately girls been doing a lot of first collabs. What I have installed is a 26-inch HD 13x4 frontal wig. This is in the loose deep wave texture and density 250%, and baby, she's giving.
Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to your clean and proper.
End of your eyebrow to your ears, that is the hardest part to secure. So if you can just secure that part first, go ahead, because it's gonna make your job a lot easier. Spray the spray everywhere else. And then put the melt band on.
You gonna make on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady.
Let's see.
Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
I am noticing there's a few sections where I need to touch up with some spray. That's okay. There. Okay, that looks good. Sideburns, I'm gonna cut it right where my ear ends, like my earlobe. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this little brush. Any leftover makeup product that I have on here, like powder, I'm just gonna leave that be.
I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you take.
I usually like to curl my sideburns first, but it's okay. Today we didn't do that. That's a vibe. Okay. You can wear her like this. Oh, today we're gonna go part her because this has a really big parting space. So yeah, we want to part her. I need this to look so natural that it just looks like it's my hair. I don't want it to give wiggy. Okay, so I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more and then come back when we have the final product. I'm literally just taking the smallest amount of hair and just swooping it. If there's too much hair going on, we put some back because we just want it very, very natural looking. So that's pretty much actually all the baby hairs I want, just nothing crazy, just a tiny bit. You guys can see that, right? It's not a lot.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
To define, I'm going to use some Eco Style gel. I'm going to go over some sections here. Now this wig, you can definitely curl her, crimp her, but I want to show you guys her in her natural state, so we're not doing any of that. I am going to spray some water just to activate those waves a little bit more. And the last thing we're going to do is clean up the part. This is really important if you're not wearing a bald cap to do this, so pick some colors that look like scalp. Okay, and then I like to seal that in with hairspray so it's not so obvious. And there we have it. The very minimal, no baby hair look. So what I did before this install was just bleach the knots. That's all I did. It did come in a nice wavy look. It's a mixture between a body wave and a deep wave. I love this texture, and I wanted to show you guys this texture in its original state. Kind of like a 3-in-1 wig because it's giving loose deep, but it's also giving body wave and it's also giving water wave. I don't know how that's possible, but yeah, that's what it's reminding me of. Let me know what you guys think because it really does look like all three of those textures. 250% density, I would say yes ma'am, it is very full. It's still a little bit wet, and I would say it's giving very, very much that. Like, it is beautiful. You can see it's thick all throughout, so it's not just thick up here, it's thick all the way to the root, to the ends, and I'm really happy with it. I wanted to style it kind of like the pic that I saw on their website, so that's how I decided to style it today, and we just went with that. Clean up the part with some powder, and it just looks really beautiful. That lace space goes very far back, so it's really deep on the middle portion of the wig, not so much on the sides. It's not like full 13x4, but it's pretty deep. It's not like the super skinny side, so I love to see that. I'm actually really impressed. Now the texture does feel a little bit more on the coarser side. It looks more believable that this could be your hair because it's not like super silky or super shiny looking. It just looks like this is my hair. It really does look like that, and you couldn't tell me differently. I love it. You guys should check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you if you want to check it out because it's so pretty. I love the density. If you're gonna get this wig, get this length and get this density because that's where it's at. You cannot go wrong with a 26-inch 250%. Like, come on. I love it so much. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.